Cloning controversies. Whenever we talk about the cloning, then two ethical concerns are associated with the cloning, or in other words, ethical concerns associated with cloning are divided into two subgroups. First is the concern on the effect of cloning with regard to animal or human welfare, or it can be associated with the objection to the principle of cloning. For example, the production of cloned animals from other means rather than the fertilization process. So, whenever we perform cloning, we are increasing the animal suffering as compared to the animals produced by standard breeding methods. Now, why is it so? This is because surgeries are performed to obtain oocytes or ova or transfer embryos. This leads to the loss of pregnancy, death of the neonates, or disease in the young ones. So this leads to the main ethical issue of cloning, that is the production of diseased animal models. Now, number of arguments arises with the process of cloning. For example, keep in mind that the death of the neonates or loss of pregnancy or the disease in the young ones, all these findings are not only associated with cloning, but it can also be associated with other procedures such as embryo transfer, ova transfer, or it can be in vitro fertilization. Now, cloned animal species are housed for months or for years in order to increase their production. It is then slaughtered and eaten up by the human beings. This is because the purpose of housing them and increase their production, the main reason is the potential benefits. We get the complete understanding of life processes and of animal diseases. Then we come to know about the benefits related to the human health and also about the food production which is available for the human beings in the form of milk, egg, meat, beef. Now, number of objections are there related to the process of cloning. The first one is the genetic variation of the species. For example, breeding cow and getting bulls. What is all that? The main controversies arises when we are cloning horses, especially for those traits that make them as strong competitors in the horse race competition. So, cloned animals can pose health to the human beings. But FDA and European Food Safety Society have declared that there is no risk to the human health if they eat up the cloned animal species. Now, keep in mind that identical twins are formed by a process which is similar to cloning, but this is a natural process, while transgenic organisms or the animals are produced by unnatural means, and the genes can flow from animals to the human beings and then to the food chain. So potential hazards can occur not only to human animals, but it can enter into the food chain, it can affect the health of the human beings, and it can also affect the environment. For example, diversity is there in the gene pool.